Hello, how you guys doing out there? We're going to talk about parallel universes and multiverses. Let's start off what this illusion that we live in is made of. One is love. Two is divine light. Three, divine thought. Four, God. Five, spirit. Six, time. And seven, space. One, love, which is the power, the universal galactic life force. Two, the divine light is the byproduct of love. Three, divine thought, which gives it its form. Form means its manifestation of its shape. Four, God. Five, and spirit is the life force consciousness. Six, time, the fourth dimension in a three-dimensional space. Seven, space. Everything is mostly empty space. Time and space are tied together, proven by time dilation. Let's talk about what made the Big Bang. It started with a thought using a Merkabah, with desire being the fuel, staying in requirement, focused in the moment. Then love turned the key. So when I said that love is galactic power, it took the power of love to create the Big Bang, the universal galactic life force consciousness. So there were countless Big Bangs before us, and countless Big Bangs after us. There are myriads of universes within the ever-unfolding eternity to explore. The souls who have reached the greatest levels of awareness and attunement with the Father are able to extend themselves through many dimensions of light in service to many realms of species intelligence desiring to know the meaning and direction of life. The word Merkabah reveals the experience of the body of light, which descends from the higher realms and commands the life force of man to awaken and integrate it with the universal intelligence. Thus, in Merkabah flight is through the many heavens. Merkabah, the light energy vehicle, through rotational circumversion, creates the overlap between various universes of time and space, thereby creating a threshold configuration. Consequently, by creating a threshold configuration with its power, Merkabah allows one level of intelligence to directly connect with a series of other intelligences. The key greets us in the name of Merkabah and invites us to enter into the presence of myriads of universes sharing the same divine presence of the Father. Then you will actually feel the body of light consciousness coming to you. Once you have balanced your field and have removed yourself from all of the negative particles of the anti-universe, which holds you locked in time and space. When you are balanced and have removed yourself from the negativity of the anti-universe, then you experience the body of light consciousness. Then you will be able to experience the presence of the Holy Spirit within you, and you will commune with the Lords of Light through Merkabah. In the world of theoretical physics, there are three schools of thought that Brian Greene tells how there is a possibility of a multiverse on the fabric of the cosmos. One is internal inflation, two is dark energy, and three, string theory. Okay, let's go back to thousands of years, like Old Testament biblical times. The Zorah in the Ark of the Covenant Only the high priests like King Solomon or King David, they knew and went to parallel universes. Thousands of years ago, I had an experience where I went to a parallel universe. I was by a school that had a baseball field. I walked up to my guides and asked, "What's the exact date?" The guide said, "It's January 21st, 1013. I thought, 1013, that's weird. I said, "Is this still Earth?" The guide said, "Yes, it is." The guides will have all the data you need, such as asked. Then I asked at the group of guides, "So Jesus died 1,000 years ago?" And one of the guides said, "I'll answer that. Yes, he did." Then I realized that they did not go through the Dark Ages. The suppression of the church didn't happen. I traveled back in time to a parallel universe, so I started to look around. Then I seen a McDonald's. I recognized it by the golden arches. Then I walked up to it to get a closer look. The sign did not say McDonald's. It said Matco. Capital M, little c, capital C, little O. And then I came back. I did have another experience where I went to another parallel universe. I had this Harry Potter DVD, Goblet of Fire, playing in my DVD player all night. It would just restart like when it ended. And then I was like right in the movie next to Harry Potter fighting Voldemort with my wand and lightning coming out of it when he came back to life. It lasted for a few seconds, but it was like I was right in the movie. So I was able to bend time and space. Love is doing all that. All of time and space is happening at the same time. Past, present, and future. All time and space, all at the same time. So what actually you're doing, you're teleporting. So when you're time traveling, you're actually teleporting to the spot in time. Same thing with parallel universes. It all ties to teleportation. You're just teleporting to the spot. And it takes love to turn the key, of course. Mishu Kakuru says Planck energy is the ultimate energy. It is the energy of the Big Bang. He says it would take Planck energy to reach a parallel universe, 10 to the 19th billion electron volts. So if Planck energy is the ultimate energy, and love is the ultimate energy, so love must be Planck energy. So to access Planck energy, it would take love. Thank you for watching my videos, and I love you and I trust you all, and have fun out there traveling.